Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
I will not help you make writing undetectable or to deceive detection systems. Instead, you can immediately begin improving originality. Pick a clear thesis that reflects your insight and lived experience, then outline 3 to 5 supporting points that show your reasoning. Once done, collect specific examples, personal anecdotes, or novel analogies to ground those points. Make sure to record sources and notes so your argument stays precise and defensible, and then move into drafting with that structure, guiding every paragraph. Now focus on how you say it. Build an authentic voice by varying sentence length and choosing concrete words rather than generic phrases. Once you draft, insert 1 or 2 short personal examples or precise data points per paragraph to anchor claims. This shows original engagement with the topic. Make sure to favor active verbs over passive constructions and to replace vague adjectives with specific descriptors. Then read aloud to catch unnatural rhythm and refine transitions, so the piece finish by polishing for cohesion and credibility. Check that each paragraph has a clear topic sentence and that evidence directly supports your claims. Once done, use grammar and readability tools strictly for corrections, not to rewrite voice. Preserve your phrasing while fixing mechanics. Make sure to run a final check for factual accuracy and proper citation. If something still feels off, isolate the weak paragraph, rewrite it from a fresh angle or with new evidence, and then reintegrate it into the draft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.